Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another product review. Today I've got a review of the RDX T15 Noir MMA sparring gloves is what it says on the website. Here's the gloves, straight off the bat. Usual Shelly style MMA sparring glove. I've got these for my upcoming MMA fight for the training. As you can see, it says on here, it says Noir series. You guys probably can't see that very well. But we'll take a look at the glove. I obviously have both, but I'll just be using the right one as an example today. So these are the T15 Noir gloves by RDX, which feature their convex Maya hide skin, which is a synthetic leather. These are not real leather. Maya hide is RDX's forks or faux leather that they use. I've used it with a few of their products on their gloves, shin guards, which I'll have a review coming off after this one, and I got the matching T15 Noir shin guards as well. But taking a look at the glove, it's your typical Shelly style, as I've said, with a Velcro fastening there that has RDX actually imprinted on there. Now, one thing that I actually like about these gloves, this could be an advantage or a disadvantage depending on your preference, is when you actually look, oh yeah, you have all of the sponsors and stuff there as well. Premium quality handmade, research and development, UK, USA, and all that stuff. Anyway, one thing that this glove has is it has no thumb guard, but I actually wanted that for the grappling. So I have more freedom of movement with my thumb joint. So this features a, as it says on the website, quick, easy hook and loop closure system, which it does. That it's fairly good, and MG1 padded foam mold for the pad. It's quite dense, it's quite firm, it's not very soft. So I don't know how that would be in sparring, but I guess I'll see when I use it. It features a Y volar palm design, which is this Y shape here. And basically, when you put your hand in, as you can see, it goes through like this. Put your fingers through, obviously that just fits your palm. And then quick, easy and loop, and there you go. So taking a look at the glove, it's comfortable. There's a little bit of room there, which that may be due to me getting too big of a size. I actually can't remember what size these ones are, if I have a look. I think these are the medium, I'm pretty sure. Okay, no, so these are a large. Okay, so these are a large. So strap that up again. So there's the general design. Again, this does not have the thumb guard. I opted for the free thumb for the grappling. But these are pretty good for your striking as well. I've done some pad work with these and they feel good. I had a little bit of a scrape against my knuckle where the glove was like moving on my knuckle when I punched, but again, that may be down to the sizing. Maybe I needed a medium. But yeah, they feel pretty good. They feel well made. The faux leather it feels nice to the touch. It's decent. Again, it does a pretty good job of covering all of your fingers when you make a fist. There's no kind of, pulling back on the padding or anything. I feel like you can make a good punch with them. Very easy to open and close, for grabbing shots, underhooks, takedowns. But yeah, I'll probably do an update once I've actually used these in sparring. But that's going to be it for now. That was just a quick look at the RDX T15 Noir series MMA sparring gloves. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video, and I have 2 more reviews that I'm going to be doing straight after this video of some shin guards and a new pair of gloves I've got as well. So there's the review for that. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Take care for now.